In this video, I will show you how to install tile next to a stove where there is simply not enough space, not enough gap between the wall and the stove to mount it on the top of a drywall. So first thing we do, we remove the drywall. You can easily use a handsaw or you can use an oscillating tool. Once the drywall is removed, you want to make sure that there is enough framing behind it to install a 1/4 inch thick hardie backer. If you don't know how to cut hardie backer, take a look at my video. It shows how to cut hardie backer easily just using a utility knife. Once the hardie backer is installed, start putting the tile onto the hardie backer. In this case, I'm using a 4x16 tile. Once the tile is installed, finish the edges by mudding and caulk the gap between each tile using a silicone caulk. Take a look at my video on how to do this as well. Here's the finished product. Looks clean, it stays clean, and again, in this case, there was not enough space to put the tile on top of the drywall. Here's a comparison between what I took out, which is the 1/2 inch drywall, and what I put in tile and hardie. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification.